Her beauty can pull down any man. She defiles all counsel in her community. She fights, steals, and prostitutes.
Eradinsa woso se wonnim se ne rade ekwan a obefa so di waye adwuma ka wagya wo ho pe.
An ex-convict who will listen to her.
It's a fan no for the chimney say GBC na hara I say medical
aja benyina che
no so Mary watch
ko radem sisi no da Jesus asundua crucified
ni kura yira krom ha ma china pene se ha na wo na mhwese no siri ho se hyem ya mnim se haya so no wo e so kura dem ma gya manfo kura age be le so no e so bedo
sini mi sasa na nkrofo etete me sofo bi ni ma ye lied obi a wani afret mu so akonwa ni me hu yes etna so esa fa wo bag shema mutu God is indeed one.
Launching at Golden Tulip Hotel Accra, date 19th October 2019, 6 p.m. prompt.